Alright, my name is Idris Tamir and welcome to my unboxing video of the Peak Design Everyday Case and the Peak Design Stand Wallet. So the everyday case would be for my phone, the Pixel 7 Pro here on the side. And this is gonna be a long video because I'm unboxing two items. I'm going to use a scissor. Spoiler alert, you will see me struggle a little bit. For future videos, I would definitely buy a proper box cutter / slicer. Or maybe the packaging is just really good. Finally, first look on the items inside. So here is the case. And you will see here Pixel 7 Pro. A quick look on the back here. And on the top, they are using this paper-like material as the handle of the box. Then here's the stand wallet. Magnetic phone mountable wallet with kickstand. Mobile by Peak Design. Quite a long name there. Here's a quick look on the back side, on the side. And then here's an extra Peak Design Anchor 4-pack. Normally this comes in black and red colorway, and obviously I don't want that, so I went ahead with black on black. Extras for the camera. Nothing really much here on the box, so I'm gonna put this one away. And here's the phone case once again. And on the side is their sustainability commitment. We'd see here some features: a car mount, bike mount, charging stand. And then on the top here is the color, which is charcoal. At the time of this filming, there's only one color, but then later on they release more varieties of color. Below here is the plastic to pull the seal, but unfortunately my nails couldn't do the job. So I'm gonna be using once again the scissors. And again, I would like to show you how much I struggle here. So I thought after removing that, I was done. And obviously, I'm not. There's another part on the other side of the box, which is on the front. I didn't realize because it's a clear tape / seal that they use. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the scissors once again. So I'm gonna slice my way through on the seal. And then it should slide off. There you go, my first look on the case on its flesh. Really nice texture here. Gonna go ahead and remove that. Put this box on the side for now. And then I'm still feeling the material because this is the first time I've seen this kind of material. It's like a fabric slash cloth. So it's different from the usual ones that we have, like rubber and plastic case. On the left is pretty much empty because of the phone, but on the top left there's the Peak Design logo. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this for the first time. And speaking of time, it is very late when I was filming this video, and you may notice the date as well. So apparently the colors match from the camera bar of the phone and this square thing on the middle. That is completely unintentional. Just trying to feel the case for the first time. And here's the side profile of the case and the phone. You may notice here at the bottom there's more rubber compared to what's on the top. Hopefully you can actually see that on this video. Here's the sound of the buttons. And then here there's a little bit of gap, and obviously the dust will come on that side. I would be definitely putting a skin on the camera visor of my phone. So I'm gonna put this one on the side for now, and then we will proceed with the stand wallet. Then on the left again, the logos. Here's the back side. On the top is the same paper-like material. And again, I'm using the scissors to just slice through to this plastic seal. Again, I should have purchased a proper box cutter. Finally, one side came off. And here's on the other side. Just slicing and struggling. Finally. So in a similar manner, just slide the box down. Then here's a paperwork. I will be reading this for later. And then here's the wallet. I'm gonna put the boxes and paperwork on the side. Here's the wallet once again. It has some weight to it. So first time opening it, and it's quite a challenge because it's new. In the middle you can see the hinge, a strong hinge that they've used. And then a nice closing sound right there. One more time. Again, same material as on the phone case. Then once you slide the top cover, the cards will show up. In here, just searching, but nothing really much that you can find on the wallet underneath. Opening it again. Then at this point I just realized there's actually instructions written on the white card. Closing is different. You're gonna have to push the cards in so that the top cover will close, and then you have to really hide it, and then it will close properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on the phone to see how it's going to look like. And then here, I do really feel the strong magnet that they've used. The nice thumping sound right there. This is how it will look like. Again, obviously the wallet doesn't have anything, so it's pretty much thin. I think you can put around 5 to 7 cards on it. This is how it looks on the side. As I'm holding it, it fits perfectly well on my hand. The weight is still manageable. You can open it a little like this and slide your fingers on the inside, and then it's kind of more secure. The phone and the case. The wallet will serve as a stand. Many angles as you would like. You put it around 90 degrees, so you could use this while watching, or you could flip it landscape. Then it can go this way. You have more clearance at the bottom. Then you just remove it like this. So yeah, really nice looking combination here. If you're a minimalist, this case and wallet is good for you. Here's the final look. Below on the case, you can loop here the anchor links, so that way you could kinda hold your phone using their strap. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review for these two items when that comes out.